Lebih debate, okay. Nice. Mr. Sadeo, can you tell me what the difference about the first pick and the second pick? This. Okay. Duta, can you help Sadeo?
No.
So direct? No. Nurul, what's the difference about the first pick and the second pick, in your opinion?
It's hard.
What the key points? The key point. Okay. The second picture is two people. Okay. Nice. So the difference is hurt and unhurt. What is that? Argument. Why? Why is it arguments? If you look at this, are you prefer to listening this or prefer to listening this? If you're having an argument, someone will be hurt you if you speak in a direct, in a intonation, in a good way, in an introduction, maybe a thesis statement, and then the opinion. Not like this. If you're having an argument and you just tell it like blah, 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 so the people that hurt you will be, she's just speaking like nonsense. Is that right? So that is argument. And do you want to be heard? If you have any opinion, if you have any arguments about these nations, maybe about this MBK, maybe. So do you want to be heard if you have any arguments? How? If you want to be heard, how? Okay, the answer is exposition text. Luzana, can you read the description of exposition text?
Yeah. Exposition text is a text used to persuade readers that something is important by giving information.
Okay. Andini, can you read the social function of the exposition text?
To persuade leaders to present opinions particularly to explain argument about an issue.
Okay. And then, Cynthia, so what's the point of exposition text? After Luzana telling the description, and then Andini telling about the social function, so what's the key point?
I don't know, man.
Okay, straight to the point. Straight to the point. I don't know the answer. Okay, that's good. That's very honest. So the key points, if we back to the slides before, the key point is giving arguments. To what's the functions? Untuk meyakinkan readers, meyakinkan bahwa opini kita itu benar. Kalau kita mengatakan BG ini memang nggak relevan untuk negara kita, gimana cara kita meyakinkan bahwa opini kita itu benar? Caranya, hello, excuse me. Caranya tahu nggak kata lain dari reiteration itu apa? Reiterations. The similarity of reiterations. Nothing. Reiterations is conclusions. So it states about the writer's opinions. It states. Jadi apa yang telah kalian katakan di thesis statement, apa yang telah kalian katakan di arguments itu diulangi lagi di reiteration menggunakan kalimat. Okay. Next. Example of expressions. The first is opinion expressions. I think, I believe, in my opinion, I agree that. That was the example of expression that you need. It has two there in your exposition text. And then the next example of the text. Arsalina, can you read the text?
Students should read more books. Thesis, reading books gives many benefits for students. Arguments, improves vocabulary, increases knowledge, develops critical thinking.
Okay, so what's the point? What the reader want to tell you about? The writer want to tell you about what? So I write this. I will deliver you some message, right? So what's the message that I want to deliver to you?
Reading books.
Okay, very good, very good. It's about reading books. The topic is students should read more books. But the thesis, why the thesis is different? The thesis in reading books gives many benefits for students. And the arguments, because it improves vocabulary, increases knowledge, and develops critical thinking. So the topic is talking about what do you want to talk, and the thesis is talking about why the topic it should be delivered, and the argument talks about how it can be how your topic is beneficial for us. Okay, next, very long text. Miss Nanda, can you read the text? Just read. I will stop with you.
Students should bring dictionaries to school. Students should bring dictionaries to school because dictionaries help them learn English more effectively.
Okay, now, do you think the students should bring dictionaries to school because blah 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 blah? What part is that? We have three structure in exposition text, right? The first is thesis, the second is arguments, and the last is conclusion. So, what do you think? Your text that have you been read is jadi itu masuk ke bagian mana? Apakah itu bagian tesis, apakah itu bagian argumen, ataukah opinion? Opinion. Okay. So I want you to read the last kalimat. Yeah, the last sentence. Read the last. Yes.
Therefore, bringing dictionaries to school is very important because they support students in learning English better.
Okay, so where is the conclusion? The first or the last?
Students bring dictionaries to school is very important because they support students in learning English better.
Okay, so you said before that the first sentence is opinions, and then when you read the last, you said that the last is opinion. So which one? The first or the last?
The first is thesis and the last is opinion.
Okay. Nurul, do you agree with Nanda? You look very passionate. Do you agree with Nanda? The first sentence is thesis and the last sentence is opinion. Do you agree or disagree? Agree.
conclusion. And of course, the first is text statement, and then diikuti oleh arguments, and then the last is conclusion. That's why I agree with Nanda.
Okay, very good. Give a applause to Liza. But the main conclusion is not like that. Why the last sentence is called conclusion? Because there is a time signal. Ada kata-kata yang menjadi salah satu ciri khas kalau itu adalah conclusion. Apa? Very good. Okay. Understand? The next is facts and opinion. If you want to give your arguments and reader and you want to believe that reader will percaya sama apa yang telah kalian sampaikan dalam tulisan, kalian harus memberikan opini dan juga fakta. Fact can be proven true. Fakta itu bisa dibuktikan bahwa itu adalah kebenaran, jadi bukan cuma omongan belaka. Yang kedua itu opinion, personal belief or theory. Opinion itu baru masuk ke pemikiran kalian. Jadi selain kalian harus nyari faktanya, kalian juga harus membuktikan. Selain kalian punya perasaan bahwa sebenarnya ini MBG salah, tapi kalian harus mencari bahwa apa sih yang bikin MBG salah. The facts, what is the facts? Example, faktanya, the school starts at 7 a.m. Sekolah itu mulai di jam 7 pagi. Di opininya, morning classes are better. Jadi kelas-kelas yang mulai di jam 7 pagi itu lebih baik, mungkin dari segi semangat siswanya, dari segi lebih cepat selesai mungkin jadinya. Okay, that's all for me. And the next is I want you to make one of your exposition texts and then write it down here using to the vocabulary that has been written. And then one by one come forward and tell about your text. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Is it enough? Or 5 minutes? Long? Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes starting from now. And one by one of you guys will come forward and tell me about your exposition text. Okay, time is up. And then the first that will be come forward and tell about the text, the exposition text is Nurul. Yes, come forward, read, and tell me where is the thesis, where is the argument, and where is the conclusion.
The text is the first is thesis. I think social media is very useful for students. The second argument, first, social media can help us learn many new things and get information quickly. Because of social media, students can also communicate easily with friends and teachers.
And then the conclusion.
And then the conclusion, according to my students, social media is interesting and helpful if we use it wisely. From the argument above, I
use smartphone recently?
Okay, so where is the thesis statement?
According to me,
Okay, and the arguments?
first students can lose focus because they play games and use social media too much.
Okay, and then the opinions?
From the argument above, students should use smartphone wisely.
Okay, thank you. Okay, okay, so the next, Mr. Come forward. About your text and tell me where is the thesis, where is the argument, and where is the opinion. Conclusion.
Tesisnya, I think reading books is a good habit for students.
Okay. And the thesis.
Argumen yang pertama, first reading books can improve our knowledge and vocabulary.
Okay. Next.
According to my people, students who read regularly can understand lesson better.
Okay.
Because books provide a lot of information, you can learn many things from them. Reading is also entertaining and can reduce stress.
Okay. So what are you talking about? The topic. The topic. What the topic?
The topic is reading.
Okay. Good. Very good. Thank you. Mr. Sadewa, last but not least, come forward.
The thesis one is, according to my opinion, watching film is very enjoyable activity. The argument is, first, film can entertain people and reduce stress after a busy day. Because film have interesting story and character. Many people like spending their free time watching them. Langsung ke conclusion. From the argument above, I believe that film are not only entertaining, but also a way to learn new things and get inspiration from their different stories and culture.
Okay. So the topic is about.
And watching film is a very enjoyable